after we place this material on the feeder machine. Then it goes through the ultrasonic welding machine. Now we start the debugging process. We begin with the dead powder controller. Now the material needs to be measured. First, measure the material's radius. It's about 150 millimeters. Amham. Then measure the material's thickness, about 0.7 millimeters. Press and hold the select button. This case. The initial inertia button text will flash. Turn it to the radius of the material we just measured. Press the select button again. Material thickness appears here. Material thickness is the thickness we just measured. No need to adjust the taper setting. Press the select button again. Press and hold the select button. This inputs the material properties. Then turn here to adjust the torque level. Left is less, right is more. After changing the material each time, press the reset button once. Press and hold to update the material's radius. And material thickness for the current roll. Set the output torque generally between 30 and 40. Torque indicates the turning force. Now we start adjusting the weld position. For the ultrasonic welding machine's line position, this is roughly the total length of the cylinder, the total length of the cylinder. Then subtract the width of the film. This roughly gives the center position. Let's roughly measure first. We know how long the cylinder is, so we can estimate the approximate position. That is the length of the cylinder, minus the width of the film. So both sides are about the same width. Adjust both sides to be the same width. Able to clamp the film. Once set properly and positioned, lock it tight. After locking tight, there is one more at the back. One more of the same size. Both sides have the same size. Keep it centered along the middle line. Xiaoping, come here. Okay, now let's fix this tightly first. Tighten this clamp. Press it down first. After pressing down, we can. So let's first check the straight line. It should be roughly vertical. We will micro-adjust later. Now let's use the correction function to align. Make sure it can detect the material. Move outwards. Keep moving. First, move back a bit. Wait, center this first. Press the slider to center it. Okay, it is now running to a centered position. Good. And did you see that? When this light turns on, it means it has detected the light. So it has sensed it